Welcome to Makita UK. At Makita UK, we offer more than just power tools. We are the only power tool manufacturer to offer dedicated service and training across the UK. At our service centres based in Milton Keynes, Glasgow, Feltham in West London, and here in Wigan. At every Makita factory service centre, our visitors can expect outstanding service, with product showrooms, training facilities and product servicing facilities at every location. Let's take a look around. Our showrooms are a great place for customers to get closer to the key highlights of our product range. Here, you can ask any questions about any of the tools and find out if the tool you want is going to make your company work smarter. You can also book any courses you need so you can get hands-on with all the products in our extensive range. We understand just how important product training is, which is why we offer a comprehensive range of training sessions open to both dealers and end users. We offer a wide spectrum of courses ranging from introductions to power tools through to health and safety courses. We can tailor the training to any trade discipline. And we can do this for individuals or groups at our training centres throughout the UK. Or we can deliver some of our courses at your preferred site. It's totally up to you. For Makita UK's servicing agents, we provide servicing courses which will help you maintain, service and repair all our products, a must for anybody wishing to provide that next level of service to their customers. Welcome to our servicing facility. We're proud to offer Makita customers an efficient and reliable servicing facility, whether the tool's in warranty or not. All the products we receive are thoroughly assessed by our experienced technicians before servicing and, if needed, repaired and back to you in peak condition. We understand that every day a tool is with us is potentially a lost work day for you, so our technicians will ensure that once processed, the tool is serviced and turned around and back to you within 72 hours, so you're back to work. To book a tool in, simply ring us to arrange a collection or use our drop and go service. Here at Makita, we pride ourselves on the wide range of services we offer through our network of factory service centres, open to all Makita customers and authorised dealers throughout the UK.